In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to color grade in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, and I have my sample footage in here. And now is that I recommend you want to go into the color workspace in here by clicking here and then going into color. And if you can see the Lumetri tab right here for some reason, you want to go into window. And now you want to make sure that Lumetri color is checked. Once you have this one, you want to select your footage in here that you would want to color grade. So this goes for individual footage in here. But if you would want to color grade multiple footages at once, then I suggest using an adjustment layer. So you want to click here on the projects panel right here. So you want to find this somewhere in your workspace, depending on your arrangement, but most likely it's on the left side. And then once you're here, you want to right click on the empty space, go into new item and go into adjustment layer and click on OK. And from here is that you want to find that adjustment layer and it should be in here. Drag it into your clip right here and then make sure that the length covers the footage or footages that you would want to have the same color grading. For example, I just want this one clip, so I'm just going to go for this one, or you could just select the clip right here and color grade here. But if you'd want multiple to be covered by the adjustment layer, select the adjustment layer, navigate into Lumetri color and do your color grading right here. But take note that before you color grade, make sure that you color correct, like all the exposure, highlight, shadows are on point, depending on how you need it to look like on the scene. Once you're done, you want to go into creative. And then now in here is that you can now choose some presets in here in Premiere Pro. And basically you have a lot of presets right here that you could use. For example, I would want to go for this black and white style to go for that vintage look. So I can do that right here. And I could also mess with the intensity and so on. So that's the basics here in color grading in Premiere Pro. So what if you don't want to do this manually? There's a tip on how you could do that. So basically is that you want to get a reference color grading, like from a movie, for example. This one, I just got this from the internet. So I would want to copy this color grading and apply it into my own project. So it's actually really simple. And you would just simply want to navigate into the footage that you'd want to copy that color grading into, and then navigate into Lumetri color and go into color wheels and match. And then now you want to click here on comparison view. And then you want to make sure here on the left pane where you can see your reference color grading that you'd want to copy. So to do that is that you want to make sure that that clip is at the beginning of the timeline. And now once you see it here on the left side, you want to navigate your playhead into where you would want your color grading to be pasted. So for example, in here, I want to now click here on apply match, and then I will now be able to see that it is now applied. We can just remove the adjustment layer just so that we won't have that effect from the previous one. And as you can see, it is now matching. So this is a great way for you to instantly copy the color grading from movies, because as we all know, color grading in movies is already top notch. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.